Hello everyone, welcome to today's Perl tutorial on connecting and accessing serial USB or Ethernet out-of-band console management ports including Cisco routers, switches, firewalls, and servers. My name is Prabhu and I'll guide you through this process today. The primary benefit of an out-of-band management interface is its availability when the network is down. The core idea is to preserve the 24/7 uptime of your network by ensuring you always have access to critical IT assets like routers, switches, firewalls, servers, and other appliances that operate the organization's backbone communication framework. Perl has a massive range of cutting-edge console servers. Each model has variations in port density, power options, connectivity interfaces, and additional features. Perl tailors these models to meet the demands of different industries and network infrastructures. For the most up-to-date information on available models and their specifications, it's best to visit Perl's official website, www.perl.com, or contact their product specialists. Perle IOLAN console server is a versatile tool that allows you to manage and access your networking equipment remotely. Today, we'll focus on SSH access. First, please ensure your Perle IOLAN is correctly connected to your networking equipment serial port. You can do this using the standard Ethernet cables. Now, let's access the Perle IOLAN console server. Open your preferred web browser and enter the IP address of the Perle IOLAN. The home page will give a quick overview of the system information, health status, and the interface status for the Ethernet ports, cellular, Wi-Fi, and all the serial and USB ports. Now, let's take a quick look at the serial port settings. Please navigate to Interfaces and choose a preferred serial port, and you would see the hardware settings and service settings, and the default services console management. And under hardware settings, the parameters are set to match with the attached Cisco box, and here you would use a straight-through cable or a rolled cable. Now, under service settings, you will find the protocol SSH or Telnet, and the listening port would be 10,002 by default. So if you're accessing port number 3, the TCP port number would be 10,003, and so on and so forth for other networking boxes attached to the IOLAN. If you do not wish to access the serial TCP port number, then you would use IP aliasing feature to access the serial port directly with an IP address. So it provides the ability to access a serial device connected to the serial port by an IP address or host name that can be resolved to the internet address in a DNS network instead of the IOLAN's IP address and TCP port number. The EasyPort web shows all the console ports on one screen for your convenience, and you can push the SSH button against your networking equipment to access its serial console port. Now here, let's go ahead and try the port number 2. And that'll open a new window. It'll ask you for the username and password for the IOLAN. Enter the username and password and press enter. Take you to the Cisco command prompt. There you go. So, as you have seen, connecting to the serial console ports of your networking boxes through the Perle IOLAN console server is a breeze. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for joining me today. In the coming videos, we will delve into the advanced features offered by the IOLAN SEG. Until next time, happy networking.